Now you can say whatever you like, and you can think whatever you want. But brother, we cannot build like this today. This is the palace of Venera, located in Italy, and they say it was built in 1658. Just look at the design. Just look at it. What kind of technique was they using? The building is so wide you cannot find a close-up of it anywhere on the internet. The best you're gonna get is an aerial shot like this. But when you look at the original design, you realize that the palace is actually a city.